Hi guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. I have another wig review for you guys today. This time is brought to you by Unice, and they sent me over their 22-inch Jerry curly wig, lace closure glueless lace wig. This is really like a T-part wig, but it does mimic a closure wig. It does come with the 2 combs or 3 combs in the top, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. And they also send little goodies over. Y'all know I love the little goodies that Unice sends, and this is what will come in your package too. So I'm showing you guys that I right now have a ball cap method on, but I do end up taking it off. I'm going to go ahead and just tint it to match my complexion, which you see here. And y'all, this install is going to be so quick and easy. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, where I post more pictures and more reels showing you the wig and how it works. Guys, look, I just plopped it on my head and it already looks flawless. Watch that. Like, look. That's literally like, once you like wash the hair and style it, you don't have to do nothing but throw this wig on. That's what I've literally been doing. I just been plopping the wig on after I styled it and go. Just plop and go. Plop and go. Look at that. And all you need to make sure is that the lace matches your complexion and you're good to go. Look. Literally, all I'm going to do now, though, is this is right out of the pack. So I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair and brush it out, like get the curls loosen up, look more natural, and just like just showing y'all guys like how the natural curl pattern is. But yeah, all I did was use water and a brush, like a paddle brush. You can use a brush that's meant for like curly hair, like a Denman brush, and just brush it through once you wet it. And let those curls get juicy and pop. Like, look at this. Now, I will say that you will have to add some product to tame it, because just with water, once it dries, it's going to poof up. But I just want to show you guys what I did here, just to like show you how beautiful the curls come out. Literally plop on it and go. You could not, like, this wig is a must-have. Okay guys, back. Really, I don't even remember exactly what I recorded, but it couldn't have been much because this wig is so super easy. Like, it's glueless. I'm not using any spray and no type of adhesive. This is again from Unice. This is a 150 density 22-inch jerry curl pattern. She's a T-part unit, so there's no 4x4. It comes pre-bleached, comes pre-plucked, looks flawless, blends right into my skin once I add my tint. You gotta hop on this. The one thing I will say is that it can get really big. So to alleviate that, what I did was add some layers in the front, and then I wet it with your spray bottle. Then I put some curl cream in it. This is by Cant, and then I put some like foamy mousse or wrapping mousse, whatever you want to call it, and it tames the curls. So yeah, it's I could feel like a slight hold, but it's not a crunchy hold. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, let me show you the back. Yeah, I love this curl pattern. So pretty. Nothing really much to say. She is affordable. I think she's like $170 something, and then there are gonna be some discounts. Of course, you know, the shorter you go, the cheaper it's gonna be. It's tax season, girl. Get your summer wig, get your vacation wig. This is so easy to throw and go. Like, even if you're drunk, you got a hangover in the morning from on vacation, all you gotta do is throw this on. You ain't gotta do too much to it. You don't gotta lay no lace, you don't gotta fix no lace. Throw on and go. Yeah, so don't forget to visit my TikTok and my Instagram. Also, I have a few websites you can click on in the description box. Support your sister. Thanks for watching.